the car, so I stepped out the car on this fuck ass. I stepped out on this fuck ass. He asked me, sir, is anything in your pocket that I need to know about? What you told me? I told him, yep. What? Big faces, jet drop 7,500 on my inside. Another $4,000, nigga, for the suicide. Ain't about it.
Give me that dance real quick, man. Give me that dance real quick, man. Welcome to Orlando, Florida, baby. Ryan B. Car Show. We gonna keep the party going. We gonna have some fun today. Who coming up next? Who coming up next? Stick Ball 7. Yo, Stick, go Jimmy, bro, let's go. I just want to get this shit started. Let's do it, DJ. Do it. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. I love when you do it. Turn it up, DJ. Yeah. I love when it's do it. Do it. I love when it's do it. Do it. Yeah. She put it all on me, all on me, all on me, the VIP, all on me, all on me, all on me, the VIP, I love do it, do it, do it, do it, I love do it, do it, do it, do it, hey, she put it on me like a laptop, no Facebook, hey, FaceTime, she ran out when I ran in, and I was a team. Take quiet, and she got a little started up yeah, on my ass kinda sore. See the last week I was running back to it. And she goes straight, and she knows it. Okay, she put it in. Hey, we gonna do it right now. Yeah. Come on, baby, come on down forward, y'all get the man in front. Yeah. Every time I see it, I got her hands on thighs. She can get it over. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. She in overdrive. She in overdrive. She in overdrive. Hey, stand on the bar. She going like middle of the floor. Turn it out. Jump to the bar. On the right line. Put her girls overdrive. Overdrive. She in overdrive. Overdrive, yeah, she got low, got low, screaming out, she been screaming out, yeah, it's Friday, she ready, this pussy halfway naked, don't work tomorrow, train heavy, it's VIP with her best, so rock, she wasted, no pump, she white girl paid, no matter the price she paid, have fun, don't matter who paid. Working all week, doing hard in the middle of the floor with a drink. Pulling her feet, turn the head, taking Hugo straight to the head. Stepping on the pop, she going out, middle of the floor, turning it out, jerking from the bar, on the right line, telling them girls overdrive, overdrive. She in overdrive, she in overdrive, she in overdrive. Yeah, she got a little more, got a little more. Song. She gon' dance to it all night long. She gon' take it to the floor. She gon' have a woman more. She get light, she get loose. Ran out of drink, order up more juice. Whipping up help and fighting for it. Going hard on the floor. We ain't the holler, put your hands up. If we got some good pussy, put your hands up. If the pussy don't strike, put your hands up. You got money in the bank, put your hands up. Hands on the bar, she going light. Get on the floor, turn it out, turn from the bar, on the right time, one of the girls, overdrive, overdrive, she in overdrive, she in overdrive, she in overdrive, yeah, Come on, baby. Y'all remember the name. And this shit gonna be big. I love this shit.
Yes, sir. Y'all give it up right there for him. Come on, baby. Don't forget tonight you majestic. Lives and future at the same damn time.
Yeah.
John Young and Colombia.
After party.
Yes, sir.
After party, baby.
We gonna go ahead and let all see it get in, bro.
I got cameras on my head.
Turn up.
Season so in, my circles too big.
Yeah. Baby, what?
Chevy truck.
Never been big.
So dumb up, I'll come up.
Really?
What's up, man? Hey, oh. So y'all want some liquor? Everybody out there.
down, turn it up. I see you right here. Yeah, double cup and everything right up. What's the smokers at, man? Who the fuck smoking with me, man? I need a goddamn light. Hold on. I think we ready, sir. Niggas throwing bands out in the front. They ready for future, bro. I think
who gonna win this trophy right
now? You turn up, man. Who gonna win? They ready for future. I think they ready, man.
Let's do this shit.
Open
up floor. Let's go. Yeah. You ready for future? Bring your hands up the building. Ladies. Where my ladies at? Where my ladies at? Where my motherfuckers at? Let's go. Straight up. Turn up. I think these niggas itching for something. I'm itching for that motherfucking paper, nigga. Street niggas sit up! Street niggas sit! Street niggas sit! They itching for that paper, my finger! They itching! Let's go! Hey, no one said, fucking nigga in the streets. Got some crack, but the color ain't that being what I need. The niggas, they don't let me at it. So my brother, I have a little bit. I'm sleeping now. That my two little do, and my two mate. Me and all my walls, get together like a top by say, who got me? But I know that keep hurting with me. Turn up! Niggas, they itching for that paper. They itching for that paper. I'm around the city and I got my calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when it comes to get it. They itching for that paper. My fingers, they itching for that paper. I'm around the city and I got my calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when it comes to get it. I'm a dog. I'm a G. I'm for real. My love for million dollars when I please. Say what? Now give me a turn. What was the news? My chickens in a pool. Got shots that I shoot. When I stay on DJ Story. Say what? When I DJ Story. I lay the profit. I can go and buy school. Ain't what they claim to. We waiting for some news. Ain't no place to go. Got 20 in my what? That's $20. I put a plate together like paper and you. I'm rapping, jumping, you. I'm itching. They itching for that paper. I'm free. They itching for that paper. I'm riding around the city and I got my calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when they come and get that paper. They itching for that paper. They itching for that paper. I'm riding around the city and I got my calculator. I'm a motherfucking monster when they come and get that paper. Ladies in this motherfucker. Well, where my single ladies at? Now let's take it back. Hold on, man. Let's take it back some, bitches. Car Show 2012. Let's go. What you got? Hey, turn up. What you got? Take that's my whole too, nigga.
That's the whole music.
Nigga, that's all around her.
Wow, that's what's in it. I thought that was my home. That's 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 my home. Be my home. She in the back. Be my home. What up? That's my home. That's my home.
You kiss.
That's my home.
You feel the love.
That's my home.
I think I miss
That's my home.
you took on the trip.
That's my home.
I try to kill.
That's my home.
I do what I want and I love such stuff. That's your home. That's your home. That's my home. That's your home.
That's my home.
That's your home. That's my home. She fine. She said she love you. I know she lying. You stay work. But time to time, you can never hold it down. That's my home. It's my thing up when I call you all up, bitch. You know I talk like that. Get the red girl, turn up on the field. I talk like that. Get no space and put no space and come and bring it. This I know. If you would have not okay, cause I know where your heart is at. I'll run my team, I'll run my team. All the coach, you know me, man. Got no time. I know you love it, baby. She told me, that's nothing wrong with you say. Ain't gon' talk no name.
Future driving crazy.
Talk about anything. And she gon' be there for me. In her wedding ring. And I'ma be around eternity. A bitch, they hate me. She can never understand. You treat her real good. When he came back, I feel like I can astronaut.
That's my home.
You kiss.
That's my home.
You feel the love.
That's my home.
I think I miss.
That's my home.
You took on the trip.
That's my home.
I try to kill.
That's my home.
I'm cool with my mama and I love such stuff. If that's your home,
Say what?
if that's your home,
Say what?
if that's your home,
That's my home too.
if that's your home, that's my home too. She said, she lied. She said she loved you. I know she lied. We stay fun. From time to time, you can marry her on the day. She did lie. That's my home too. somebody while we got this move, man.
Man, I gotta free all my niggas who locked up in Florida. You got somebody who locked up, put your one finger to the sky. Put your camera phones up. We about to free them niggas like they right here, nigga. Pluto 3D.
You know the words to this shit. Everybody say this shit. Hey, you know I'm on the way.
You know it's going down.
I can do this all. Say what?
Money over bitch.
Everybody.
In the door, nigga.
I'm a shine bright.
Hey! I said the same cool. See you got that sizzle home.
Say what?
Keep that sizzle on repeat. It's by the time everybody's free. Let's take these bitches back to 05. Close your eyes, take a breath, say what? And let them lie. Love a vision, replay in my head. I'm on the couch. Yeah, this nigga beats the blue quarter meal. He bought a house. And you niggas gon' lace up his sneaks. It's on the ball. Intellect, switch on the tail. Make it come on. Puff it up, all black in the back. 100 people, 100 coops. Puff it up in the front. 200 seats. Let somebody call the armrest. Jail talking dollars and nuts. All you can have done. Nigga drinking in front of this way it's at. Man, them real niggas do real things. Let's drink a way too cold. What the fuck am I? Wake up in the morning, who the fuck am I? I'm on the old girl, and you know I'm on. You know it's going down, I can do it. Gotta get to the paper one time. Money over bitch 2 times. Cause even in the dark, baby, I'm a shine bright. I'm ready to go.
The best night of my life.
Future!
What up, Pluto, right?
Snatch a pin. I heard it say it's going down. I'm going in. Go tell them it's a homicide.
Hey, say what? Go tell them it's a. Go tell them it's a homicide. Go tell them it's a homicide.
Yo, we going crazy right now, man. Where are my sexy ass ladies at? Where are my sexy ladies at? You know what I'm looking for, people. Hold on. What's going on? Where's he at? Hold on. Where's he at? I heard she was going to Florida, nigga.
You run!
Put your down.
See over here, music is over here.
I'm looking for.
What you looking for? What you looking for?
What you looking for? I'm looking for.
What you looking for?
That's all I wanna know.
Hold on. I think they're ready to turn all the way up.
Are they ready? Man, I appreciate y'all like that. Turn up.
I think they're ready.
Let's go.
Who we got in here?
What we got going on?
South side of this
Who we got in this motherfucker? Poke Kelly in this bitch, nigga. I'm letting go on this motherfucker, nigga.
at the same damn time.
We got these motherfucking hoes part of this bitch.
They said lose our fucking mind. We gotta turn up. We got game, nigga. Turn up, turn up.
Push it out my back. On the road, cooking dope. Tell the white, tell the nigga. Fucking 2 bad bitches that. That's the same damn time. Turn up the same damn time. Turn up the same damn time. Turn up the same damn time. gasoline and Irene, red alibis, one shoes on my jeans, Robbie jeans, with the rings, yellow phone on my team, traffic in them, yeah, I mean, say swoosh, with the spikes, go to AZ on the flight, yellow 100 overnight, I'm a pussy, I'm a package, on the road, cooking dope, package, tell the right, tell the me, rapping, fucking two bad bitches, rapping, at the same damn time, at the same damn time, turn up the same damn time, turn up the same damn time, fucking love at the same damn time, on the soul, fucking bird at the same damn time, on the bills with the same going, got some damage from my neck, knuckle, bad bitches in the street trapping, just a young hood nigga street spray, man, working with a unit, trying to stretch it to another one, drinking on that active, then it tasted like some bubbles, jumping through the check, pouring on the jet, talking on the iPhone, sipping out the styrofoam, dirty got my mind going, money got my mind going, BBS and White Stone, BBS and White Stone, I'm rolling like a rolling, free battle apple, turn up, get my cash wet, turn up, who's a hell of a better hacker, on the phone, cooking dope, rapper, telling white, telling me, at the same damn time, fucking two bad bitches, at the same damn time, at the same damn time, turn up the same damn time, turn up the same damn time, turn up the same damn time, put on hundred balls at the same damn time, on the show, hundred bottles at the same damn time, put me in some water and I can swim, they get a beat, I'm jumping out the field, a young nigga serving just outside the crib, jump across the nigga, little check the slim, in my ABS, like a jungle, ready to cash in, cash money, smell like cocaine, doing Birdman, numbers, man, looks like Jack and Chain, walk inside the Georgia, drop a bell on the way, spit so much in Louis, gave me free champagne, and Bell Harbor shot me, and they doing the same thing, and I keep my car with me like a pin, I check them at the door, boy, take them clean, Sprite Lee, need to keep this shit on film, answer that, I'm a bad ass, on the phone, cooking dope, at the same damn time, telling white, telling me, at the same damn time, fucking two bad bitches, at the same damn time, at the same damn time, turn up 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 the cool, loving more, at the same damn time, on the show, fucking brothers, at the same damn time, hey! Lord, what's good? I'm fucking with y'all the strong way, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the love I've been giving these fuck niggas. Salute the street. And all the single ladies in the building, make some noise. It's gonna be like
Now you got talk show music. All my single ladies at? All my single ladies, they over here.
Make that move right there. Double wanna live. We like it. Don't get to say what? I wanna tell the world about you, so they can get jealous. And if you see your boy, I do. Tell I wish that I done. I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises and never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' cheat and she gon' never make no moves. I heard she be there every time you read the song. Turn on it. I'm looking for. 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 Everybody, stand around. I've been looking for in a party. Hanging with the dope boys in the hallway. And I know the people here, you gotta get that thing. Turn up. I'm looking forward to. I heard she got a pretty face and shit. I heard that she a person Julia treated to her. I wanna be the one to find you if I go to ride. And if I get a number, you know I can wait to ride. And when we get together, you know we gon' be right. When we get together, we make magic. Turn up. I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises. I heard she be there every time you need her, she come through. Turn up the. I'm looking for. I'm looking for future. I'm looking for. Turn up the. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. Shit. I'm looking for. She always there. But she ain't good. She been in the city. Let's go. I want to cheat, they'll take control of me. I try to go to sleep and sing a damn my dream. Just in case I run across to the day I will stay clean. Just in case you recognize the face, send it to me until I message you for what? You can tell a nigga that because I got my and tell her if she knows a promise to stay. Make sure when you tell her you're gonna pass your hands up. Turn on it. I'm looking forward to you. I heard she keep her promises and never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' cheat and she gon' never make no move. I heard she be there anytime you need her, she gon' move. Turn up. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. Orlando, Florida. We love y'all, Orlando, Florida. Y'all show the utmost respect. Salute to every nigga in the motherfucking building, nigga. Put up, Billy. Level 2712, free bang bang, A1F global.
Make some noise,
Hey, I wanna know who won that #1 stunner contest, nigga. Who out here riding the best of motherfucking Florida, nigga? I'ma stick around to see that shit.
Appreciate it, bro. Give it up right now for Future! Shit. Yes, sir. If y'all don't know, we started this thing about 14 years ago in a little trailer in the first parking lot. Guess who the headliner was back then 14 years ago? The Yin Yang Twins. Now we got Future out this bitch. Shit, it's real. We got 2 type of mellow C up in here. Free white boy piss off. Free McDonald white boy piss off. We about to give away this trophy, and then we gonna give away the other trophies individually. They'll be around to you. Yes, sir. I'm about to bring out the man anyway who put all this on. Dog Man to the stage. Go give out the whole big trophy, #1 stunner. I see that Camaro with the gold on it now. I'm talking about, who see that Camaro with the gold all on it? Now that Thunderbird vert with the big wheels, that's hard too now. Yeah. Oh, the all-white Magna with the gold on it. Who saw the all-white Magna with the gold wheels and all? Oh. Who we got right? Go ahead, find something up. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who we got?
Hey, one time for Plies in the building. Yeah. After party tonight. Hey, who y'all think won this motherfucker? Yeah.
Florida don't play though. We got surprise, don't we? Hey, but what I want to say, Tampa been taking this shit home for like 3 years in a row.
Hell yeah.
Tampa and St. Pete. But there's some Palm Beach niggas and there's some Orlando niggas right now that we see that game fucking off. You know what I'm saying? So we need y'all to stay by y'all vehicles. You know what I'm saying? So we have to judge that shit. Big ass trophy too, like. Y'all don't know who won though? What y'all think won?
Who won?
They say it's a gold Camaro.
A gold Camaro? Where's that, right there?
They say it's a purple vert that got 150 in it. You see that purple vert back there? Huh?
Shit.
Huh? Hold up now, hold up. You seen that root beer vert out there from a Parker?
Yeah.
Nigga from a Parker.
Hey, PK, what up?
Yeah, I think.
Where the trophy girls at?
Riley B girls on the stage right now.
Hey y'all, after party at Majestic, you know I'm a promoter that shit. After party at Majestic, you know what I'm saying? I got a fly, we going in tonight, man. We getting away free bottles to 21 and chilling with us, you know what I'm saying? We getting away bottles. That was the Ryan B girl. Y'all the Ryan B trophy girls? Who y'all think won? Disco Rick, come on, man. Disco Rick in the building? Yeah, Disco Rick, man.
Miami, you already know what time it is?
Hold on. What you brought up here, man, from Dade County? You from Dade County, Mr. Gene Diamond. What you brought up here, dog? What you brought up here? What kind of beer you brought up here?
I don't know. This don't look like King of Diamond girls.
They don't. Hold up, man.
This don't look like King of Diamond girls, though, man.
You dream girls.
Oh! That's why everybody going tonight. Where we going tonight?
Majestic.
All right. Tonight I'm going to Majestic. I need 10,000 singles tonight.
Done.
I need 10,000, dog, man. I'm throwing it up. So, ladies, you don't have to be a stripper. I'm throwing away money tonight. Just come on tonight.
Done.
No, man.
My man, hey, my homeboy Plies told me that he looking for 10 females.
How many?
Tonight for his new video.
10?
I think he got speed, but he went back to the hotel. I'm gonna tell you what he's looking for. You gotta be 21. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be so Florida. You gotta be so Florida. You know what I'm saying?
That trumpet dog, man.
That Florida right now? What's she at? Come up here, let's see. Oh, it got. You ain't no liar, is it? Okay, the real curve. Alright. The real curve, that's what he wants. Well, everybody got some damn ass shot.
All natural.
Hey, y'all turn around, let me see if y'all got real. If y'all real.
Let me see that ass. Turn around. Turn around, damn it.
Hey, don't worry about it. Come on. Don't worry about it.
Oh, no, man, you cheating. You cheating, dog. You cheating, dog. You cheating,
Don't
dog.
worry about it. Don't worry about that shit. That shit's real.
You cheating, dog.
Who won the trophy?
Now we're waiting on the valley. We ain't gonna be no Mitt Romney now. We waiting on the valley. And like I said, Tampa, St. Pete been winning for 3 years straight. I don't know what them niggas doing over there. I don't know what them niggas sleeping in their cars. But God damn, them niggas been winning for 3 years straight.
Yeah.
We gonna see who win this year.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, Orlando, I peeked in the paint shop. God damn, boy. Palm Beach, they kinda got something out there.
We need that battle for the trophy. Who won the trophy?
That nigga back there in that Bentley and Plies, they cheap. That's cheap. Baby, what y'all wanna do? You wanna give them time to battle?
What you wanna do?
Whatever y'all wanna do.
Hey! Teddy T in the building?
Huh?
Legendary. What you wanna do? Rollo Hustle, what up? I'm ready for the other party, dog, man.
I'm ready for the after party too.
Alliance.
Hey man, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all ain't never been to Majestic, let me see.
Hear that big go.
Let me see.
Hear that big go.
Oh, yeah. Hold on now. Hey, Hey, you can tell it 2013. You can tell it 2013, yeah. This that George Jefferson shit, man.
We moving on up, baby.
Huh?
That shit nasty, man.
Huh? Take a look at it, baby. That.
Damn.
That's the winner. Oh. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you for bringing it out there. We sure need one for the next show play. This is how we need to start judging. Let's go. Hey, go ahead, man. We're going to ride for a minute until they get the judges right. Outside. Yeah.